So we're gonna pull into the little dirt lot again back here. And yeah, this is already lighting up the trailer over there, whereas the other lights really weren't. So yeah, so it lights up the trailer very, very well. Again, the phone doesn't do it justice, but the one thing that I do like is now all my lights up front that I'll typically drive with, aside from the fogs, are all Auxbeam now. So we'll turn on the highs again. Yeah, that's pretty bright. So I definitely recommend these lights. They fit perfect. The quality was amazing. They're cheap. They're under, you know, $100, so they're under $60 actually. Super easy plug and play, no drilling, no nothing, just plugs right into your factory harness. And I mean, I hate that the phone just doesn't do it justice, but these things are very bright. And even with my HIDs, when I would turn my, so with my HIDs, when I would have my brights on, and then I would turn them off, it would be very dim light, you know, like you could really tell that your brights were on. But with these, and that was the same with the C-Light ones as well. It was kind of like just a dim light. It was a nice white light, but it still wasn't as bright as this. This light is just very white throughout everything. It's not dead at all or a little dim. So highly recommend them. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, I'll leave the link for these down in the description. I highly recommend them, and that's not just because they sent me these lights for free. It's because Auxbeam's quality is absolutely insane for the price that it is. You don't have to drill for your 4Runner. You don't have to place stuff anywhere, zip tie anything. It's just basically plug and play. And if you even want these for your high beams as well, I mean, you might as well, because you can get these in 9005, you could get them in H4, you could get them in 9006, whatever size you need these in, they have. So definitely recommend them. I still do like the F16 lights that they gave me. I won't upgrade those just because to me they work perfectly fine. But these are really bright for your low beam lights. And the way my vehicle is angled, I passed a couple cars as I was driving on the road to get to the spot, and it didn't go high at all, not in the driver's eyes basically. So hopefully I don't get flashed, you know, because LEDs or HIDs and projectors do kind of like disperse out a little bit, but I think it's perfectly fine. No one's flashed me yet. So thanks for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.